This hero section is inspired by a Team Forest layout. Today, I'm not just rebuilding, I'm showing you why it works and how to fully control it in bricks. If you understand this hero, you can reuse the logic on any homepage. This is a two-column hero, content on the left and visual on the right, and looks simple. But most layouts break because people don't understand Flexbox behavior. Flex-based is not a width, it's a proposal. Here, I don't force widths. I let Flex-based suggest space. For example, a left column proposes around 50%, and right column proposes the rest. The browser then decides what's possible, and that's why this hero stays stable. FlexGrow defines who can expand when there's extra space. The text column is allowed to grow, and the image stays controlled, and this keeps the headline readable and prevents layout stretching. FlexShrinks decides who gives up space when things get tight. Buttons should not shrink aggressively, and text can adapt, images negotiate, and that's why this hero doesn't break on tablets or mobile. Min width is a hidden unlock. Sometimes things don't center because min width blocks them, and setting to 0 lets Flexbox do its job. And this is especially important for text blocks. Width dictates, Flex adapts. Same hero, same structure, and fully responsive. No hacks, no media queries chaos. If you want this exact hero section, I made it available as a reusable layout. You can grab it for free or get the full version via PayHip. The paid version includes the bricks layout, a responsive setup, and the PDF with these Flexbox mental models. Link is in the description. And this is how I build heroes that convert. Understand the logic once and reuse it forever. Subscribe if you want more real bricks thinking, not just clicks.